Hi, welcome to Aussie Nomads Destinations. Follow us as we caravan our way around Australia. This is Ed and I'm Beck, and we're finding you the best free and budget camp spots Oz has to offer. Fishing, crabbing and hiking our way through this awesome country.
Well, after a solid 6 weeks, we are off again. We decided to take a different route out of Melbourne. One wrong turn, and now we're driving right through the middle of the city. What a great experience! Anyway, after what seemed like forever, we got ourselves back on track and exited the city in splendid fashion, with our shiny new home on the back. At this stage, we are heading as quick as possible over the South Australian border. But first tonight, we need to find a camp. We ended up spending our first night at Lake Lonsdale, a free camp on the side of the lake. What a great spot to wake up to on our first morning back on the road. It's pretty cool when you've been to these places before and you know what you're pulling into. We go again, old man. Next, as we drove right past Dimboola, we couldn't help but stop at the Pink Lake. It was way pinker than it was last time. It was stunning. Today we shall stop at Tailem Bend. We'll be over the border and then we can restock with fresh fruit and veggies in Murray Bridge. So here we are back on the banks of the Murray River at Tailem Bend, and now we're over the border. We're going to stop here for 2 nights and go and get us some groceries tomorrow. Guess what? They're all still here, and it seems like there's even more of them. We stocked up with groceries, grabbed a full rump from our favourite butcher, and finished off a few bits and pieces. We decided whilst we were near Adelaide, we thought it'd be best if we get the van weighed. It feels a lot different to tow than our old van, so we thought it was best to get it checked. Hey, we are down here at Tailem Bend, just filling up with water before we head down into Adelaide. Bye, Tailem Bend. We love you. We've been here so many times. It's a good little stop. So today we are leaving Tailem Bend and we are heading down into Adelaide to get the caravan weighed. Because she's new, we're not quite sure how we are going for weight, so we're just going to check that before we go too far. Down the mongrel steep hill we go. What, 4 kilometres, pretty much straight down. How beautiful are these trees? We didn't get too much footage. The weighing guy was camera shy. After about 2 hours, it would seem that we're about 100 kilos under. We did move a few things around. The tow ball weight wasn't quite heavy enough. And then off we headed. We spent that night at Lochiel, a free camp at the sports field which you can stay at for 72 hours. Well, that is us done at Lochiel. Off to Port Augusta we go. Today we are staying at the RV Park at Port Augusta. To get some water, use the dump point. So we are up bright and sparky this morning. As we left Melbourne last week, we booked the Caravan in for its first service here at Port Augusta. And this morning, that is exactly what we're doing. We are going to drop her off for a service, and then we are going to find breakfast. We are going to Bunnings. We are making a clothesline. And now that the bike rack on the back of the new Caravan is a different shape, we need a new clothesline. Ed set about designing a new option. We collected the Caravan and then Ed got to building the new line. Then we went and did a quick wash. Like a Meccano set. That is gonna hang on there. Now what are we doing, drilling holes?
You just hold the end of it. Oh, I need to see the end of it. Really.
Is it supposed
Your fingers are on top there.
Well, I don't know what.
Just hold this.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Along there.
Yeah, well I'll be able to go that way, won't I? Or under that way. I think that'll work. That's a handy little brick. Do you want me to hold something? The next morning, we topped up with groceries and then headed off to Whyalla. The people that did the service on the Caravan suggested getting a wheel alignment done, and Whyalla was the place that the machine was at. And that is us done at Port Augusta again, and we are off to Whyalla today to get this Caravan a wheel alignment. We are just filling up with water before we get going. Takes us forever to get going. Ready to see the big boat? Huge boat. Some people can drive through here and just miss it. Parked right there. Look at the size of it. I am so hopeless. Be a good little Caravan, get your little wheelies fixed. Back at the beach. Hello little Caravan, did you get your little wheels aligned? That's one way of moving her. Stick her on a forklift and drag her around the yard. Well, that is us done at Whyalla. We are on our way south. Not sure where we're going to end up, but we're just going to toddle along till we find somewhere we want to stop. So if you're in town, evidently the showgrounds has the dump point and the water tap, and it is literally just around the corner from the footy field, which is where we're heading. So this is the entrance to the showgrounds. Dump point's just the door. The dump point sign's just there, and yeah, they got everything. There's the other blue sign over there that says dump point. There is the dump point. Headed off down the coast. I'm not sure where we're going to end up. Cowell. That's where it was. Cowell. That's where we ended up. It has a nice little RV park just out of town. We shall stay there for a couple of nights. At $15 a night, it's a great spot. This is where we are staying. We are on site 15, and this map is just here in the camp area. How cute is this? There's all the bins, bowls, book library. Pretty good, really. Kitcheny, well, it's not even a camp kitchen, it's like a little hut. It's a good spot. Fire pit. There is a potable water tap. We shall make the most of that tomorrow. And then over there are all the bins. There you go. Nice little campgrounds. Super quiet. Just out of town. Walking distance actually. I walked in this morning. Back in Oyster Country. Look at them all. That's flipping insane. Here we are, back at the silos. Pretty coloured ones. We had read about this little bakery attached to the side of a house in town, and we thought we'd give it a go. So we did. It was delicious. It is fish and chip day. Then we headed off down to what is arguably the best fish and chips we've had since we left Queensland. It was delicious last time, and it was the same this time. Delicious. This little shop has the best fish and chips anywhere in New South Wales or South Australia. Just saying. We are going to go do the boardwalk. I don't know what the story is, but it's here, so we may as well do it. Off we go. Flipping freezing, we're going back to the car. Well, that is us done at Cowell. We are on our way to the Lincoln National Park, hopefully. We are heading down the Eyre Peninsula and staying at some of our favourite places and a couple that we missed last trip. Stay happy, be kind, love your life, and we will see you next Sunday at 6 a.m. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks. See ya.